Swiss and US-based company aims to expand global operations and further develop its autonomous drone solutions for public safety. Fotokite, a company specializing in actively tethered UAVs for firefighting and public safety, announced the successful closure of its Series B financing round, securing approximately 10 million Swiss francs, $11 million. The funding is earmarked for accelerating growth, enhancing research and development, and expanding its global operations. Carbyne Equity Partners led the investment round, joined by existing investors such as Swisscanto Private Equity Growth I and Credit Suisse Entrepreneur Capital Limited. Markus Petersen, managing partner at Carbyne Equity Partners, expressed strong support for Fotokite's ongoing development and international commercialization. Fotokite's differentiating technology and accomplished management team perfectly align with our investment requirements. We are delighted to accompany the international commercialization and continuous technological development of Fotokite's products, said Petersen. Fotokite's technology has gained recognition for its effectiveness and reliability in critical public safety scenarios, providing first responders with enhanced aerial capabilities to improve situational awareness, streamline search and rescue operations, and save lives. The recent capital influx will allow Fotokite to broaden its public safety customer base, meet new market opportunities, develop additional product features, and scale operations. Fotokite now operates on 6 continents, indicating significant global expansion. Bart Slager, CEO of Fotokite, expressed enthusiasm about the funding milestone. We are thrilled to announce the successful completion of our latest funding round, which marks a significant milestone for our company. This investment underscores the confidence in our vision and the value of our autonomous solutions for first responders, stated Slager. With our expanded resources and global reach, we are poised to make an even greater impact in helping emergency response teams save lives and protect communities around the world. About the investors, Carbyne Equity Partners is a European private equity firm focused on growing businesses with strong market positions and excellent leadership in sectors like security technology, agriculture, healthcare, and nutrition. Swisscanto manages assets for the Zürcher Cantonal Bank Group and provides investment and pension solutions. The Swisscanto Private Equity Growth Fund supports ICT and healthcare companies in their expansion phase. Credit Suisse Entrepreneur Capital Limited, a subsidiary of Credit Suisse AG, invests in Swiss SMEs and emerging companies, having backed over 60 Swiss companies since its inception in 2010.